Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use linear sketch pattern. Let's first select a plane, say top plane. Sketch. Let's create some geometry. Draw a center point rectangle. OK. Then make a small circle here. OK. Now in a linear sketch pattern, we can create multiple copies of this circle. We can create a horizontal array, vertical array, or even at an angle. Let's see how we can do this. Select linear sketch pattern. In direction 1. We have selected the x-axis. Let's assign the distance to 25 mm, or a bigger one say 35 mm. And now select the number of copies you want. You can increase or decrease the number from here. OK. So this is all in the horizontal direction. Here there is an option, instances to skip. We can use this to skip any particular position in the array. Select the points to skip. OK. See how some of the copies have been skipped. Now let's create a linear pattern in the vertical direction. Go to linear sketch pattern. Keep x-axis copies to 1. Hide it. And come to the y-axis. Select this geometry. Again enter the distance as 35 mm. And we need 3 copies. Click on this arrow to change the direction. You can also click on the reverse direction here. And similar to the previous one, if you wish to skip any instance you can click on it. OK. See how we created an array in the vertical direction. Now, if you want to create it at an angle, go back to the linear sketch pattern. Select this circle. Select the number of copies to make. Distance, 35 mm. Now in angle, let's enter 120 degrees. Reverse the direction. Make this 320 degrees. Or, 340 degrees. Adjust the distance. And, OK. So this is how we create multiple copies in a single direction. In the next lecture, we will learn how to do the same in a circular pattern. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.